Hello and welcome to today's video about how to access Leonardo AI quickly and fast. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so what you want to do is just head over to your browser and just type in at the top leonardo.ai and it will take you to their website. So now you've loaded up their website, all you just want to do is press create an account and now it'll take you to this. It says, note you will need to be whitelisted to be able to sign in. If you aren't on the early access list, please register below. But I'm going to show you how to basically bypass all of this early access stuff. So you just want to put your first name, so I'll put Ethan. And you just want to put your email address. Any email address will do. So I'll just put in my email address here and you want to press count me in. Now it will take you to this web page here. You're on the list. If you want to skip the queue, click here for instant access. So you just want to press on the click here and it'll take you to this MailChimp survey. So what you've got to do is just join the Leonardo AI Discord, which you can do by pressing on this link right here. Next, it'll tell you that you've been invited to join the server. All you have to do is press accept, and then you just want to continue to Discord. So you can basically just skip all of this introduction stuff and then press let me in, and then finish. You don't really have to verify anything in the server. What you guys have to do is just go back onto the Leonardo AI website, press click here again for instant access, and all we have to do is just input our name that we've basically joined the server with. So my Discord name is ChatGPT, so I'm just going to copy that and paste it in. I'm going to put in my first name and my email address that I'll be using for account access. Next, it'll come up with this page here. Thank you for applying for priority access. You are now whitelisted. We recommend using continue with Google, which is really important. So we'll press on this link here and it will take us into Leonardo AI. So like it said on the link, we just need to sign in with Google. So I'm going to sign in with the exact same email that I used to sign up. And there we have it. We are in Leonardo AI right now. So all we have to do is just set a username and then put in our interests. I'm just going to put art and board games. And then you've got an option here. I can confirm I'm over 18. I am over 18, but I don't really want to see NSWF content. I'm just going to put I'm an enthusiast. And then start using Leonardo. So here we are in Leonardo AI now. I'm just going to quickly, a very expensive supercar, red, and generate. So we're using the Leonardo photoreal fine-tuned model over here with alchemy on and photoreal. So hopefully we'll get a very realistic, very expensive supercar that is red. So let's see what Leonardo comes back with. So as we can see here, everything works perfectly fine. We're given around 150 tokens daily. And yeah, these supercars are amazing. Wow, look how realistic these are. Well, yeah, I hope you found this tutorial useful to get early access very quickly for Leonardo AI. The link will be in the description to sign up, so make sure you click that. But that'll conclude for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys later. Bye.